Octopus Python client tool is a Tableau open source tool I developed to manage an Octopus deploy server through the Octopus RESTful API. This is the first Octopus deploy client tool to support clone Octopus data from space to space, from server to server. It is also the first Python tool to manage the Octopus server. We already have a few existing tools in PowerShell and C#. Octopus Python client tool has a GUI, which includes the major features or commands this tool supports. It also has a few command line tools, which is less commonly used, but is also very powerful, like delete the objects on the Octopus server. Using the Octopus Python client tool is pretty straightforward. You can just start it by use as a GUI tool, or you can use the command line to run the tool and execute additional features, additional functions. The command line tool is also a very good way for the managing Octopus server programmatically. The Octopus Python client tool supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux. It requires PyYAML 5.1 and higher. For the main GUI functions, you can just start the Octopus Python client tool in GUI mode and figure out most functions easily on your own. If you want to run the command line tool, you may want to refer to the wiki page on the GitHub. This wiki is going to have This wiki is going to cover most command line arguments and examples. This wiki also has a detailed analysis on the data type on Octopus server. It's showing the data tree and the relationship between the Octopus objects. This diagram is not complete diagram yet, but it reflects most common relationship between the objects. It is also the base for cloning the objects from space to space, from the server to server.